The jaw and neck are so intimately intertwined. Stabilize your neck, then you get to stabilize your jaw. Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, TMJ specialist at Rehab and Revive. Watch how we combat jaw pain next. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below. We appreciate your support. Before you get to this specific exercise, be sure to watch an old video called jaw tracking. There's also a great foundational exercise we filmed a couple months ago called the Komodo Dragon, and another one we recently filmed for the neck strengthening. I'd recommend viewing those videos to start getting an understanding of our progressions to hold your changes. So let's get to it. All right, you just need a handy dandy TheraTube, TheraBand works, or even just a strap that doesn't have resistance. Your goal in general is to just be here. And for those of you with the jaw pain, TMJ, tongue on the roof of your mouth, the jaw track, it looks like this, literally. I'm just against the wall, so it's gonna be hard for you. You can pretend there's a wall right here, but I'm really pulling, I'm keeping my shoulder blades out. I'm really working on those upper back muscles, those deep neck muscles, and then my jaw tracking. So tongue on the roof of your mouth, your goal is to split your nose and that line of your lip and that middle of your lips to just go down. And your teeth should also just be tracking straight. So we're gonna get right to it. So you're gonna get right into this here, and you can lean, you can take your couple steps out, and you can create as much resistance as you want. You want it tighter, shorter, have at it. You wanna maintain that, so you don't wanna be, this forward head. You're basically trying to promote everything against forward head. And then you can tongue on the roof of your mouth, open, close your jaw. Now you could try with different rotations too. So I can go here towards you. And you can see I'm shaking. This is tougher than it looks. So, you want to do this till the shakiness stops. And like I said, you don't want to keep drooping over time. You want to keep maintaining that nice solid posture. There you go. Where you should feel the burn a lot of times is right here. And obviously some of the deep throat muscles right there when you're doing the jaw tracking. Remember, tongue on the roof of your mouth, and then that's it. So that's the master plan. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Please leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.